How to create an Uber Eats account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an Uber Eats account. So if you already have an Uber account, you can simply log into your Uber Eats by using your Uber account. But if you don't, simply download the Uber Eats app from either your Play Store or your App Store and simply open the app. Now once you've opened the app, tap on the option continue. After that, it will basically provide you 4 different options. So you can either sign up using your mobile number, your Apple account, your Facebook account, or finally your Google account. Now, whichever one you choose, tap on the option continue. So for now, I'll simply enter my phone number. Now, it'll send a 4-digit verification code to my phone number. So I'll simply check the code over here. So as you can see, the code has just arrived. I'll simply enter the code over here. And then let's simply tap on the option next. And there you have it. So that is basically how you sign up or create an Uber Eats account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.